Another video. Today unboxing video of Nokia N-gage. I got for a cheap price from Aliexpress, around €25. So start. So that's the box. I thought it should be original box, but they sent me, I think, a refurbished box. So see what inside. So that's the Nokia N-gage. Battery, and this is the charger. And that's the manual. So they sent me only N-gage and the charger. I thought they will put the microphone and CD, but I don't know why they didn't put it. So I have to contact the seller why they didn't. But again, that's good. Like, I got for €25, so it's good for collection. Like, if you want to do collection nowadays, it will on eBay. It's around, I think it's around €60–70. So I advise you to buy this from Aliexpress. One, I think there is no battery. I'll check it. No battery. So I try to charge, and I try to put the games, if that's possible, without the cartridge. So I'll try. So I'll back, see how it looks like. So yeah, you can see I dropped the phone, and the C button is gone. But this is refurbished, so probably this type of thing will happen. And I think you can easily find the housing for this N-gage. And I tried to download game for this N-gage, but I only found that's the R Thunder. You can see. Alright, so I turn on the sound. No. Profile. No. And this game look like the graphic is very good. On its time, I think it came out in 2005 or something. Yeah. No, there is no vibration. And this game look like 3D. So that's the racing game. And even one more game is Bounce. It's one of my favorite games from Nokia. This is a 2D game, but it's still very nice. Again, it's all memory. So even I tried to find the game, especially for 4 or something, but definitely I'll buy from eBay. So there are a few that I saw, So I think for 30 euro or 25 is the best to buy this N-gage. And to be honest, I never heard before of this. Probably I heard around 2012 something. So again, very game, but still I need a memory card for it as well if I want to download more game, because normally N-gage is around 1 megabyte or 2 megabyte, and the memory of this game is the phone is like probably around 1000 KB, so that's what you can download, or even like 2 MB I think. So if you want to download a 1 or 2 megabyte game, then you can install it because the low memory. So definitely I will buy for a memory card as well. And one more, like you can, if anything happen, like you know, the buttons go like, so you can replace the housing very easily. So that you can see. So that's it for today. I checked there, that's the game still available in Aliexpress or not, so I check it there. So if there is, so I'll share the link with you, so if you want to buy a cheap one, because normally it's in eBay they'll ask for the price around 78 euro, so 30 euro is completely cheap. So alright, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.